Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Cash App PIN in case you forgot it. So in my case, I actually did forget my Cash App PIN, but don't worry, it happens to everyone. So this is going to be a short, sweet, and quick video, so make sure to follow it step by step all the way up until the end in order to learn how to reset your Cash App PIN. So first what we're going to do is log onto our Cash App, which is this green and white icon up top. Now, once you're logged in, your homepage is going to look like this here. On the upper right hand corner, you want to click on your profile image and then scroll down to where it says security and privacy. So go ahead and click on security and privacy. Now from here, you might see different prompts depending if you have the security lock enabled or not. So right now I have the security lock enabled on, and it's always going to ask me for my Face ID or Cash PIN every time I move money. So if I want to go ahead and make it so that every time I unlock the app, I could actually do that as well. But notice how it's asking me for my Cash PIN. So right underneath that, you're going to see in green this change cash pin icon. So go ahead and click on change cash pin. It's going to ask me for my Face ID. Now here is where you're going to enter your new cash pin. So go ahead and follow the prompts from here as far as entering a new cash pin for your Cash App account. It is going to go through some verification processes, either asking you to enter a confirmation sent to the email that's tied to your Cash App account, or it's even going to ask you for your 16-digit card number that's attached to your Cash App account. So either way, just make sure you follow the verification processes as far as verifying that you are the actual one who wants to change your cash pin. Now it is going to be a bit of a tedious if it does ask you for your 16 digits, but that's all just part of the verification process to protect your account. Now, in case you can't actually change your cash pin from here, let's say you run into an error, for example, I do want to show you how to actually contact support so that they can help you out further. So go ahead and go back, and then on the same page where you clicked on security and privacy, go ahead and scroll down to where it says support. Now from here, you can enter pin reset, or you can even scroll down and actually chat with them. So you can actually click on chat under contact us. And then from here, you could actually send a message. So this is like a plan B way in case you're not able to change your cash pin with the steps that I showed you previously. But the Cash App support has been absolutely phenomenal, and they've been really helpful as far as helping me change my pin in case it didn't work that first time I showed you earlier in this video. So if you know of a better way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.